Kalau siya. Apa dahil nagulat oh, pero oh. Ano isa na dakban. Dakban boy. Bangus fish. Uy, media nih, media ha. Hai sa hai. Oh, hai sa media. Uy, media nih, media. Morning.
Para sa ako, ilan na pa ka-year since nag-ushering year? 2022, diba? No? Dali sa Davao ba? And I know some of you dugay na gid kayo din sa ushering ministry or sa experience. And I'm glad that we are able to do this. So, we did equip XP. I think for the long time, wala sa na siya nabuhat siya nato. And no, congratulations to everyone. Ako ang pagpasalamat sa church that we were able to do it. Kasi dugay na sa nga desire sa church to conduct that emergency preparedness. No, kasi dugay na. Even katong pag-meet namo ni Odi, nag-storya mi about ushering. Ingon siya nga isa sa dapat buhaton nato is really to conduct that emergency preparedness. And we were able to do that thanks to God and thanks to the team. No? Thank you kayo. Ako, no, sa session ni Ryan, really, it was, he's a good trainer. No? So maayo kayo and even kay Tom, salamat kayo. Alright, so that's good. Praise be to God for that. And karon, we're saying that we are the experienced team, so we need to get to know one another. Kay dili pa man siguro magkailag yung tanan. Even atong mga visitors, thank you kaayo for gracing us, joining us this morning. So, sige, I'll start. I'm Jok. I'm the husband of Darrell. So, just for the info of everyone, ako nagtuturo kay Darrell on how to swim.
Nabarro?
Akong pangalan kay Jeswell Ray, pero OA mo gugali sa buwan. Si akong wife, si ano,
Ang bay.
isa lang ang anak, si Shana.
Siya na talaga.
2022 no? 2022, tapos mag-lead sa Mintal ba? So talagang kung di na ako kaya, kitap na ko si Ryan yan. And nalipay ko nga nag-say yes sa akin. Hindi na ako siya nakita sa Mintal. Salamat po kayo. Medyo ako, hindi siya kanang sa pa. Ako, makain na yung
Si Ryan.
responsibility na. Kaya medyo, siyempre, pag wala mo na-baptize.
Thank you, Bong. So,
So I mean muna na nag-serve ko since 2019. Actually, why nag-serve ko? Actually, from other church ko before. Pag ano na ako sa Victoria, is gusto dyan akong heart to serve dyan.
asa na yung POTC?
Oh, then 2019, invited ko by, actually, ngayon naman ni Kuya Kalem, Kuya Aoki. So, invite si Kuya Aoki sa na mag-serve. So, and then, 3PM na dyan ko nag-start before. Actually, starting 2019, and then now, 3PM ko nag-serve. Tapos, my heart man is to serve and to honor God because everything nasa to is from God.
Good morning everyone. Ako si May.
Sa experience.
Kauban nili ko sa Mintal.
Alright, thank you.
Yun.
Alright, thank you.
Yun.
My name is Teng. Pero si Kuya Neil, kaya ginatawag ko na yan sa akong real name. Pero Teng na lang, guys. I'm one of the leaders team leaders sa 10 a.m. team sa downtown, and then I've been serving sa Dumaguete pa is I'm from Victory Dumaguete, so 2016, and then nag-start ko here sa Davao 2021 post-pandemic, and then nato makita dyan ako ang growth sa downtown because before sa post-pandemic, like mga 4 lang kami ni Edmond, Tito Clem, tapos napa si ate katong nasa si ate Sally, so Mary Ann, and then like karon kay daghan na jud ni, so thank you Lord for that.
Good morning everyone. I am Viv. Before I started as team leader lang po sa 10 a.m. So that's my first ministry talaga, ushering. I started during pandemic I was with Ate Teng. During that time, I can't really remember, mga 5 lang kami. Every Sunday, like really 5 lang talaga, and then paulit-ulit yan. And you know, I really started na sobrang konti lang mga ushers, and then from seeing all of you na sobrang dami na talaga. As in, this is a big chunk of increase talaga ng numbers serving in the ushering ministry. But then, yun na nga, I've been transitioning, but transition after transition din talaga yung sa akin. And currently, I'm the ministry head ng experience team sa youth service. So, you cannot see me sa Sunday services kasi pag Sundays, I function as a discipleship assistant. But during youth service, every Friday, yun yung ako yung nag-head sa experience team ng youth service. So, yun.
Hello everyone, my name is Daisy Papalaan. New lang po ako sa experience team. Last year lang po ako nag-start ng church, and then kailan po start time? Basta 10 a.m. Makita niyo po ako every 10 a.m. nag-serve po sa experience team.
Hi guys, ako din si Otem. I met Jesus. I saw Kuya Jock even nung sa Balata pa ni-mention, but serving here sa Victory Davao as being part of the experience team, this was my first volunteer ministry. Normally, ginalabay lang ko pag sa stage, kasamaan daw. Kasamaan kita po niya. So, syempre ko mag-uubad na yun. But, again, I'm really thankful for the leadership of Kuya Jock. Maski kung sa Balata pa, how I saw him lead with different ministration, yung ushering na talent nato sa Davao. Grabe, as in dito po sa Manila, as in lagi mag-tumbling na, nasa fire dance. Grabe, mga tao dito. Really, it's because grabe, sobrang empowering niya. Kasi Kuya Jock, diba, even with us, na he would trust us with the responsibilities and give opportunities for us to grow even in our leadership. So, kaya thank you. I'm growing so much in your leadership. So, yeah. Part of the TPM ay kilabay na ko ni Kuya Jock dito. May walay tao dito. So, nangutan ako, Kuya Jock, gusto ko mag-volunteer sa 10. 10! Okay. Gusto ko mag-3? May tao dito. Sige Kuya, alright. So, and then, ito bit, for 2 times na ko nag-serve. After that, gusto ko may team lead. I'm like, sige lang Kuya, yes lang ng yes. And again, thank you for your heart to even empower and trust. Again. So, yeah.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Hannah. Part of the prayer team
Tyson offering. Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Efren. Kilala ko yung wife ko, si Lorraine. Our son, si Sean. Lorraine is also involved in Ashery. Si Sean in music ministry. Actually, we're ministry for since 2012. Actually, from 2013, nag-volunteer kami. Actually, Ashery different ministry. Discipleship ministry kami. And then, start sa Toril, yun, logistics, hapon ministry kami doon. Tapos, until such time, na-establish na talaga yung sa Toril, sa may camp, siya naging assistant to the camp. So, assistant to the camp. So, palang ministry ba, kung sa mag-serve, MC, Efren, kung istorya ko kaya minikap ko Efren yung partner, si Efren was born between Ashery and kids, no? So, ano siya, pasing sa kids, no? So, siya, anak, feeling na ako, what to be sa kids, but I thank God, no, he's great. He's great, thank you guys. Morning!
Morning, Kap.
Gano'n na Kap? Gano'n na Kap?
Mabot nila anyway, si Neil ako. Nahimo lang Kap kay during pandemic, kaya sige post ba nga sikat na kayo itong time ang kapitan, di ba? Mga rasyon, mga ayuda. Dito na bird na ako ang kapang ilang tawag. Anyway, so being part of Ashery, mula-mula na doon nato isa i-break o i-kuhan nga mag-Ashery kay music team magpupunta ko.
Lawan pa ako, Charla. Ako dahil si Jen, wife ko ni Neil. Original. Sa kids yun ko, sa Toril Ministry. Pero, since ibutang si Neil sa Ashery, tapos, dagan pang kailangan buhaton, especially post-pandemic. So, nag-rest ako sa kids, and then nag-support ako sa iya, and thank you for having me. Kaya talang, kalikay-likay siya kung Ashery tinawad lang, kasi ako work mong good is customer service. So, anak ko, Monday to Saturday, holiday, nakitrabaho customer service. Tapos, mag-Asher pa yun. So, naglahi ko ministry, pero utangon ko ni God na sa dire. So, support lang yun ta. Salamat sa leadership and for tagging us here. And, wife ni Efren. Tapos siya, ako ang only son. Bali nag-serve me sa downtown.
And God sees that. And God will is and will reward us. So, on behalf of the church, nagkaan tayong salamat sa inyo. Nagkaan salamat. And nagkaan salamat sa inyong ipagdala na pagkaon karon. No? You're enjoying. Thank you so much. Story lang ako ang leksyon. No? So, kayo kayo na siya deliver sa balay, mga alas 6 pa lang. Actually, quarter to 6 guys. Tingnan ko din sa akong isa kalang, God, someone's outside. Magana din ang leksyon. So karon, so ready na mo gawas. Pag-alsa na po, nahulog itaw na.
Hulog ang litson.
Namay plastic. So munang kani, munang under, i-take na kayo na sa siyempre mag-take na din. So siya ba yung under? So namay plastic guys, so don't worry. So nagkapo ang maging po saon. Kaya may na lang, kung na ako itutang na lang ani, wala mo ba ni Nelson may isa. So itutang na mo ba? So that's the story of it. I urge you, brothers and sisters, in view of God's mercy, to offer your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. This is your true and proper worship. No? So we're all here because we have one thing in common. That is Jesus.
First stop. First stop. First stop.
Ako'y mag-edit ka.
Okay, first stop sa Dayang.